I'm Marie from Baker's Maison, and today I'll be showing you a few tips and tricks on how to bake and present our ready-to-bake croissants. Let's go! Today I'm using our large butter croissant. It weighs about 105 grams and we sell them by boxes of 72 units. I'm letting them defrost, which takes around 15 to 20 minutes. An egg wash is great to use before baking because it helps give your finished croissant a golden crispy appearance. Now place your croissants in a preheated oven at 180 to 200 degrees for about 15 to 17 minutes. I wish you could smell this. Our croissant turned out perfect. I still want to have some fun with it before presenting. I'm going to dip the top of my croissant in melted chocolate, add a few slivered almonds, a couple of fresh raspberries, and some golden sprinkles. And there you have it, my delicious looking croissant.